it's the bone condition?
I think it's something that got lost, say, in people when they go to the hospitals.
Okay.
Not a lot of explanation is given to them. Explaining to someone what a joint is and how it's different from the bone itself is a long process. So in hospitals, unfortunately, people don't have that much time. So they just say, hey, it's a condition of the bones. And that's why I think it happened.
All right, thank you so much, Zweli Ngalenkazelo. I think Masekesi Jonge now the different types and causes of arthritis. Jyoti, welcome, Stando Sam. Please greet our listeners at home.
Hi there, hi everybody. Great to be here.
What are these types and causes of arthritis?
So I just wanted to touch on like 3 different types.
Yeah.
The first one is going to be osteoarthritis. This is the most common, what people usually get. It's caused by that cartilage. So as Welly was talking about the hinge of the door, that hinge is basically cartilage. It's the soft cushioning on the top of your bone, and it prevents your bones from grinding against each other. But osteoarthritis happens due to wear and tear, old age, when this cartilage starts to thin. And then your bones start touching each other, which causes the pain and the difficulty moving. The next one is the rheumatoid arthritis, and this one is when your body actually gets it wrong. It's when your immune system starts attacking your own cells, and then it causes this pain and redness and inflammation, the swelling, and the last one is gout. This is caused by uric acid, and it builds up in your body, forming crystals in your joints. And this ends up having painful joints and swelling and redness. And yeah, with rheumatoid arthritis, I think the key symptom would be that it usually occurs on like both sides. So it's either your both hands, your both knees. And then the risk factors. So it's like different things that put you more at a risk for getting arthritis would be if you're of an older age, like you're elderly, or you have been overweight, some smoking, and like previous joint injuries.
All right. Masimbulise ke samabukele nomphulaphuli osanda joiner. I think ke ezinhlobo ezahlukeneyo kunye nezizathu zazo uchilo kuJothi uthi ila osteoarthritis yona ke ibangelwa ukukhila. I'm not sure into yokuba into lokukhila, but if ukhona umphulaphula ekhaya ongasicacisela about ukukhila, or if not, Judy, you can chip in wena as masiqhubekeka. Kubekho rheumatoid arthritis yona ngamajoni omzimba ahlasela amalungu. Kubekho igout yona ke kukudumba kokukhawuleza okuhlungu rhoqo okanye napha kwinzwane. I think abantu abaninzi ke badla ngokutsho ke bathi naxa ungumuntu mhlawumbi oqhatshakelwe okanye uthanda ukutya kakhulu iziselo ezistrongo kwakunye ne-red meat, so baye bathi ba-experience i-gout. I think let's welcome Opumuzo so that we check and look at the signs and the symptoms. After Uzweli explained ukuba yintoni, what is arthritis, waza nazo ke uJothi the different types and the causes of arthritis. Now let's check the signs and the symptoms. Maybe kungenzeka someone who's listening at home is experiencing all these things that Uzweli and Jodi have already explained. So what are the signs and the symptoms of arthritis? Welcome.
Molweni. So the signs are and symptoms of like arthritis. So like the most common one is pain around the joint. So many patients present just having pains around the joint, and then other patients will have like stiffness. They experience stiffness, maybe like more like difficulty moving their joints, mostly like in the morning. Just like osteoarthritis, they might just experience it like in the morning, like for maybe less than 30 minutes. And then with rheumatoid, they might experience like they usually experience stiffness like for more than 30 minutes. So that's how we can differentiate between osteo and rheumatoid. And then they also have like just reduced movement, more like range of movement, how they move their hands, so or their knees or wherever they're having the condition.
Okay, Pumuzo, just hold it right there. We are going to an ad break. We will finish